everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Heather and today we are going to fix this purse. The zipper was broken and my friend asked me if I could fix it and I said, yeah, sure, I can do that. And the thing is, I've never fixed a zipper on a purse. I have made a purse and put the zipper in, but I have never fixed a zipper on a product or item that needed a new zipper. So this was a challenge, but not too much of a challenge because the zipper was already out, so I didn't have to do the seam ripping. All I had to do is find a zipper and put it in, and I've been collecting zippers because when I go out to my nanny's, she is a sewer, and she has tons of zippers, 2 boxes of zippers and probably more. Anyways, I scoop up some zippers and I found one that works for this purse, and that's what we're gonna do today. So come along with me and watch me sew a purse zipper. This is the beautiful purse. My friend Caitlin is a cat lover and she uses this purse all the time. However, as you can see, it has many zippers. The main zipper for the main department broke and her mom took out the zipper and they asked me if I could replace it and I said yes. So I have this long black zipper that I'm going to place in there. And I've only replaced one other zipper, and that was on my zipper of my sister's vest. So the zipper's got to go in between these 2 fabrics. So we're going to sew each side first and then tuck in here is the end and stitch it, tuck it in this little spot there so the zipper doesn't fall apart after I trim it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this. First things first, because it's a black purse, we have to change the thread from white to black. I have black right here, so we'll do that. The black thread goes, I like using this spot, I can use that spot too. And then we're going to just turn on this so you guys can see me. I'm going to run the thread over, put it under there, through here. I think that's called the eye hook. This is the eye hook, I believe. Through there and down here. To line up a bobbin, because we need black, you feed your thread through here, your main thread, and then you go here. Setting up my bobbin, you're going to place the bobbin so the thread is to the left, and you're going to put it in there, and that's the bobbin case. And you want to put it, follow this curve, so you just go to the right, pull it so it goes under that little piece, back and pull, and there you go. And when you start your machine, the black thread from above will grab that one. The zipper is clipped on there, and now we need to change the foot to a zipper. On my case, it's the one with an eye. And we're also going to remove this additional piece that makes the arm longer so that the purse can go under here and through there. There's a little button here. Where is it? Right there. Drops the foot. You take the foot out, put the new one in, and you're gonna connect it to this little tiny bar. And depending what side the zipper is on, you want the zipper to go under this edge. At least for me, that's what I prefer. Your needle, it's gonna go in this little tiny hole. So we're gonna put it on the right. And that's how we do it. Now we're gonna sew it on. The purse fits under there. Check the zipper, make sure it works. We're all good. We're gonna check the liner, make sure we caught it all. It's a little too low there. A little too low there, but that's okay. This side's good. Need to re-stitch right here. Hey guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you found it helpful. I messaged my friend before posting this video and she got back to me and she was like, yeah, and she's like, thank you. So we will see each other on Thursday and she will get her purse back, and can't wait to see her expression. If you guys found this video very helpful, please like and follow, and till the next time, have a good day and a week. Bye.